Letter L is heading off to herd his cows today.
No!
Letter L, have you forgotten something? Oh no! Letter L has lost his special herding stick. Kids, can you help letter L find his special herding stick?
Yes!
Help letter L find his stick by pointing to the stick with the letter L. Good work, kids! You found letter L's stick. Now letter L is ready to herd his cows.
La la la. La 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 la.
But today, letter L needs your help to herd the cows. Let's all go along with him. Kids, grab your special herding sticks and say L as you walk, just like letter L.
La